Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide apps on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and now you want to hide apps on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device, then tap on general, then tap on soft update. And first of all, you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will need to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, if you want to hide apps on your iPhone device, then here open home screen on your iPhone device. So let's suppose you want to hide this app on my iPhone device, just simply long press. Then here you can see that his option will require Face ID. Here you need to tap on this. And here you will see this type of interface. Here you can see that here's option of hide and require Face ID. You will need to tap on this if you want to hide this. Then here you can see that here's option of hide app. You will need to tap on this. Then you will see that this app has been hidden and not available on my iPhone home screen. So here you can see that that app is not available in my iPhone device. That app has been hidden. So in this way, you can hide apps on your iPhone or iPad device without any problem. So if you want to unhide this app, here just simply open your iPhone app library. So here you will need to just simply scroll it up, and here's option of hidden. You will need to tap on this. Then here you need to enter your Face ID. So after that, here you will need to long press. Then here you will have to select don't require Face ID. So now you can see that that app has been unhid from my iPhone device, and that is available in my iPhone home library. So here you can see that now the Facebook application is available on my iPhone home screen. So in this way, you can hide and unhide iPhone apps on your iPhone or iPad device without any problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.